Today we will study about the OR gate. This is our diagram for OR gate. Here A and B our two input, Y is our output, and Y equal to A plus B is our logic expression. This is our truth table. So means our output is 0 only when both our input equal to 0. If A plus B means if both our input equal to 0, then only it is 0. Otherwise output will be 1. Okay, then if we want to draw the circuit with the help of diode, then we can draw like this. Here it is our diode D1, here diode D2, and here is our resistance R, here it is our output Y. So if we give 1 means if we give 1 means this diode 1 is short circuit, and if it is 0, for example A, B, D1, D2 and output. If our A is 0, then diode D1 is equal to off. If our B is 0, diode D2 equal to off, then output will be 0. If our input is 1, diode D1 is on. If our B is 0, then it is off and our output will 1. If our output is this 0 and this 1 means this off and diode D2 is on, then our output will be 1. If both are on, then our output will be 1. So this is the table for this diagram. Hope you will get this what I want to teach you. And if our input is this, for example we can study this OR gate also like that. If our input is B is 0, then our output is as it is as our A. Means if our control is 0, then our output will become as our input. Then our output will become as our input, means our output will become A. But if our control is 1, this is our control, enable input, or you can control. If our control is 1 means if our control is 1 means our output is 1 irrespective of our input, our output always 1. If our control is 1, then our output will become 1. It doesn't depend upon our input. But if our control is 0, our output will become A. It means our output depend on our input. Okay, means for OR gate, if we give a control circuit, if we give to control circuit as 0, then our output will become our input, then our output will become our input. Then we call it enable circuit, enable state or enable circuit. But if we give our input, our control circuit as 1, then our output will be 1 irrespective of our output. Then it is called a disable circuit because it doesn't depend upon our input. This is our circuit diagram, switch diagram, or you can call as a switch diagram also. For example, if you have two switch A, switch B, so for our output Y equal to A plus B, our output will be 1 when either of this switch is on. Means any of this our switch will be on, then our output will be 1. यानी कि A, B are two switch 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then our output will be, if both switch are off, this if both switch are off, then our output will be 0. If any of these two switch is on, then our output will be on. If both switch are on, then also our output will be 1. So this is our switch diagram. If the number of, you can increase the number of gate. So if you increase the number of gate C, D also, then you can add a C plus D also in the equation. Okay, OR gate equivalent to parallel switch. Means in parallel you can add as many number of switches as you want. Now we will study about whether it will follow commutative law or not. Yes, it is. Yes, OR gate is follow commutative law, means A plus B equal to B plus A. Associative law, it is follow or not? Yes, it follow associative law, means A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Yes, it follow, because when you will solve the truth table, it your output will become equal. If here A, B, C are the three input OR gate, and if you divide into, this is 2 input OR gate, this is 2 input OR gate, means our output is same in both cases. Okay, and this is our diode diagram. Okay, zero, logic 0 we called as ground. Ground means 0 voltage. Logic 0 equal to 0 volt, and then logic 1 we are considering logic 1 as plus 5 voltage. Okay. Here means 0 volt, we apply 0 volt 5 volt. Here 5 volt 0 volt 5 volt 5 volt, means if we apply the input here, if here we apply 0 means we are applying 0 volt. Here if we applying 1 means we are applying 5 volt. For if we applying 5 volt, then this our diode is in on condition, on state. If it is in on state, then our circuit will flow like, current will flow like this, and our output will become something. Output will become something nearly equal to 5 volt if it is ideal condition. Means any of our diode is on, then our output is on. So this is the diode diagram for a OR gate. Hope you got it. Thank you.